আজি এই ভিডিঅ'টোত ক্লাছ 7ৰ chapter 2 প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰবোৰ ইয়াত দিয়া হৈছে। Activities 1. Answer these questions to check your understanding. Question A. When do the Kashmiri vendors travel to cities to sell their goods? Answer. The Kashmiri vendors travel to cities to sell their goods at the end of the rainy season and when winter is about to come. Question B. Why is it a hard life for the Kashmiri vendors? Answer. It is a hard life for the Kashmiri vendors because of their long journey from Kashmir and they have to stay at cheap hotels and wander about the city roads on foot with load on their backs. Question number C. Why was the author surprised when his brother-in-law called the vendors? Answer. The author was surprised when his brother-in-law called the vendors because he certainly knew that his brother-in-law would buy nothing from them. Question number D. I felt sad and guilty at being a party to such behavior. What does the word party mean here and what kind of behavior did he refer to? Answer. Here party means a person taking part in and approving of what is going on. The author refers to the conspiracy of his brother-in-law. Question number E. Who was kind? What was his debt of kindness? Answer. The author's brother-in-law was kind. He called the Kashmiri vendors in and gave them food. If you interested, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.